Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will show you how to install and activate your NVIDIA Shield Pro. Whether you are using it for gaming or streaming, this guide will get you set up in no time. So now let's begin. First step, you will need to unbox your NVIDIA Shield Pro. Start by unboxing your NVIDIA Shield Pro and connecting it to your TV using the HDMI cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the device. Once powered on, follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure you have a stable connection for the best experience. Next, you will need to sign in to your NVIDIA account. If you don't have one, you can create it during this step. After signing in, you can start installing your favorite apps and games from the Google Play Store. NVIDIA Shield Pro also supports streaming services like Netflix and YouTube. And that's how you install and activate your NVIDIA Shield Pro. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.